Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we were gonna learn how to link CSS to HTML in Visual Studio Code. So at first we create a HTML file in Visual Studio Code and click on abbreviation to get a HTML format, and here HTML format created. All we have to do, create a heading. How to link CSS and HTML inside the body. But if you want to change this heading, then you can change also. And after completing this code, simply run this code. Here we can see the output in our browser, and our goal is to change this heading in another color, red, blue, or whatever, after we link CSS file to HTML file. Alright, just going to go and create this new file style.css. Now go to index.html. Between head tags, if you type in link and hit tab, this will auto complete the line of code. If it doesn't work, type it manually also. Between the double quotes, we were gonna add this style.css. As you see, we also got this file suggestion. We have this pop-up follow link command. If you come to the style CSS file, call the heading in CSS and write this code. I'm gonna save this one and go to the browser and refresh it. Perfect. Here you can see our CSS file perfectly linked to HTML file. Alright, if you like this video and want to learn more about programming, please subscribe to this channel, Coding Time. Have a good time, take care, bye, keep learning and keep coding.